Okay, hello and welcome to another question, part 2, in which the first video, part 1, I asked you a question to see if you could solve it. Now if you haven't seen part 1 and you want to join in, then I suggest you stop this video because this is the answer and check out part 1 and see if you can work out the question, work out the answer to the question. So this is the answer, revealed. The question was, one man can load a cart in 10 minutes. His friend can load the same load in the same cart in 5 minutes. How long will it take the two of them, if they're working together, to load the cart? And that was the question. And this is the answer. What you need to work out first is how much of the actual load each of the men actually load onto the cart in 1 minute. So the first man, he loads the full load onto the cart in 10 minutes. So in 1 minute he has actually loaded 10% of the load. The second man, his friend, loads the cart with the full load in 5 minutes. So in 1 minute he has actually loaded 20% of the load. So if you put the two together, they're working together, in 1 minute the two of them will have loaded 30% of the load onto the cart, which is 10% plus 20%, which is 30%. So in 3 minutes they will have loaded 90% of the load onto the cart, leaving 10% of the load left. So bear in mind that they are loading per minute 30% of the load. 10% is a third, so that would be a third of a minute, which is 20 seconds. So that last remaining 10% of the load, they will load on that cart in 20 seconds. So that's the answer. Two of them working together will load the cart in 3 minutes 20 seconds. And that's the answer. And before I go, I've got to apologise to a user, NT, who commented on the first video and got it spot on, got it correct. But I didn't want to delete the comment, which that would be unfair, and I didn't want to ignore the comment, and I didn't want to say that it was correct because it would spoil it for everyone else, so I told a little fib. So I do apologise. I said, sorry, incorrect. So I do apologise, NT, you got it spot on. So I am sorry for saying that you got it right. You were probably thinking to yourself, no I haven't, I got it spot on. So I do apologise. So next time if I ever do another one of these videos, which I probably will do, it's a bit of fun, isn't it? Bit of a laugh. I will make the comments approved. So that way, if you make a suggestion, make a comment with your answer, and it doesn't get approved, then it means that you've got it right. So that's the answer anyway. 3 minutes, 20 seconds.